क्या है? I say threading, ठीक है? So you are crazy for threading, fine. And I worked several years in threading in CDAC. Don't think for threading. You think like this: I'm handling multiple programs simultaneously. Okay? Bacha can think about the threading, but you cannot think for the threading. You try to think of you're handling multiple programs simultaneously. Like I'm driving the car by this hand, okay, and by this hand I'm on the mobile, okay, or the single CPU, single brain, single CPU. How this CPU can handle two programs simultaneously? There is a chance to get a collision or can get a fatal accident. Okay, so I have seen, yesterday I was on the Facebook till 12:30 with only 2 or 3 persons of my age, fine. Hello. Ablash. कहाँ पे हो? तो फोन वहाँ पे रख दो। चलो। आप मेरे को देखो, ठीक है? So I will not allow any point one nonsense from your side after the class. Don't attend any class today. Don't attend any class. Both of you. Search a place in a center and sit 2 o'clock. Now, I am sharing my experience how you can go for learning threading. Then I promise I will teach you threading not better than me anyone. I promise you. I work in CDAC projects, CDAC Bangalore projects with the threading concepts. You think how you can go for threading? It's a very tough situation for me. It's very tough situation for me. While I'm driving the car, I'm handling the mobile. Okay? But I'm a fresher. I just learned nowadays driving. It's very pathetic for me to handle two things simultaneously. But man is driving the car for last several years. He's used to, he can handle. So you're learning first time threading or you have learned thread. My age friends are become project architect. I was on the chatting yesterday in the night with those persons, Vinod Pandey, Vinod Kumar Lohani. He was with me in the same time in Roorkee Engineering College. So I got a training in Syscom by Lohani. He is a project manager in same company, and NIT and Pandey become project architect in NIT Technologies. Project architect in Greater Noida. He says, if you send any resume for a project manager, not architect, project manager, I will not ask any topic except thread. Why? You don't go for threading. You try to make one program. See what we do. We make one program, very close the program. We make other program, we start the program. Means man in a day makes a multiple programs. I asked to Pandey sir, I was saying Pandey, but he was senior to me in Pune. So he became project architect. So I said, I want to execute 2 or 3 resume for a project manager in Gurgaon, Greater Noida, NIT. So I have taken your name, Jhankar name, and no other name, as because you are showing 5 or 10 plus. I mean 10 plus. So might be or maybe he will take an interview next week in NIT Technologies, Greater Noida. I asked, what is the question pattern you will ask? He was singing in my Roorkee Engineering College, Pandey. Pandey sir, I was saying Pandey sir. This is my Facebook. You can see his profile, project architect in NIT Technologies. मैंने बताया भी था उसको, Jhankar Gurwal. He says, I have a few questions I will ask definitely. Because he has to cross last round with me. I will not ask technologies, I will ask concepts. So he is a project architect. One is cleared patterns. So you can remember 2 or 3 patterns which you know well. Any patterns. But I will recommend you to go for dispose pattern. Really, after 5 plus, everyone is crazy, having few names, abstract pattern, abstract factory pattern, and they don't know those means and all. But you first go for design pattern, the dispose pattern. Because you are developing a software, you have to have a mechanism to control the what? Garbage collection features. That's the most important part. He says, I will ask dispose pattern. So you couple of days, you try to concentrate on dispose pattern. And what to do in this case, you make an application, small programs, which is handling a GB of data of file handling. Don't go for database baby, connection and all there. You just take a file stream class, open the file for the read mode or the write mode, they try to push a data more than GB of data. So that object is playing with a large amount of data. True. Every second cares there. Accident not really comes by minute. It comes by fraction of second. Am I right? If it is a minute, if it is a second, I can control myself. It comes by fraction of second. So if you're pulling a large amount of data, no WCF baby, when you forget that envelope and all there. So if you handle, or you can handle large amount of data efficiently, mighty program gets crash, or server can get crash, or you can get non-responding feature. So you're trying to go for opening today, MSDN, and you see Jhankar with Anurag Singh, and take my place. मैं आपको छोड़ूंगा नहीं यार, इन तीनों को. Don't attend any class. Sometimes it happens with me also. सेफ्टी या सेंटर बंद कर दो, मुझे कोई क्लास नहीं देगी. संदीप करण कहाँ है? अपने बैठ के रूम में पढ़ाई कर लो. Sometimes I need to go for my self knowledge. So time has come. Because Pandey was very intellectual person, where Saxena does not exist. I have seen both novels. So he was a Roorkee Engineering College product. I met him there. He was my mentor in Roorkee Engineering College. And fortunately, I have seen by Facebook as a project architect in NIT Technologies. He asked, I will ask dispose pattern. And fortunately, same program is given in MSDN. Write simply dispose pattern. Better don't go for abstract pattern, don't go for factory pattern, please. Or other patterns. First program, dispose pattern. आपका भी नाम उसमें. ठीक है. तो डिस्पोज पैटर्न का बेटे प्रोग्राम आप नेट से पहले देखो, एमएसडीएन पे सारा प्रोग्राम दे रखा है. उस प्रोग्राम को डिबगर के लेवल पे लेकर आओ और कुछ टूल डाउनलोड करो तो परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर काम करती है. बिकॉज यू आर शोइंग यू वांट टू गो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, बिकॉज यू आर 7+ राइट नाउ. Oops class is there. I make a ready object. I really don't care the object, but I have to care the object because object is playing with a large amount of data, where every second matters for crashing the programs. One dispose pattern. Second, obviously delegate comes into picture. Why delegate? Why event? You can have a several example for delegate. I have taught in your batch several times in the weekend batch, so it's very easy to go. A synchronous callback is very easy to go. There is an inbuilt function there, begin invoke or end invoke, and they gives a new thread you can have. बच्चा वाला काम, am I right? Don't be crazy. जहाँ तुमने begin invoke करा झंकार, आपको एक नया thread मिल गया. नाम ये begin invoke and end invoke. But the point is most intellectual in threading programs. What it will ask you in threading. First of all, what do you know about threading? And what question arises in a threading? Think logically. यार तुम अब गेट क्यों खोल रहे हो? तुम लोग गेट क्यों खोलते हो idiot? Last. No, don't allow it anyone. अब allow मत करो किसी को. झंकार मेरे को देखो अब. भाई 4-5 बंदे आए पीछे बैठ के पढ़ेंगे आज. लिंक मेरा होगा. आपका लिंक नहीं होगा. I had a mind to teach threading. You make a program, you close the program. Or within a program, you have several functions. You move, you come out. It means every day, you play with a single thread. Every day, you play with a single thread. यार मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ सर में यार पढ़ाने का मन नहीं करता मुझे सेंटर ध्यान नहीं अब मैं कैसे ध्यान नहीं दूंगा इस साल पीछे मुड़ के नमूने देखते हैं ना नलायक देख रहा है क्या सब लोग आगे हो गए हैं आप लोग पीछे मुड़ के मत देखो इफ एनीवन कम्स लेट डोंट लुक बैक आई एम वेरी डिस्टर्ब बेबी तो याद करके नहीं आता है ठीक है सब लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे हो जाएंगे ठीक है नाउ व्हाट पांडे सर सेज टू मी ही सेज threading means you are a smart terminal, efficient terminal, well-experienced program, you can merge multiple programs together. Your experience, what is experience? You can merge multiple programs together to run. But if you run multiple programs to run in a single block, there is a chance of crashing a program, point one. There is a chance of sharing of data between multiple programs, or there is a chance of losing a data due to running multiple programs simultaneously. If one program and second program, one program under main, one thread, second program by new thread, or third program by new thread. If you don't know thread, you will make a 3 programs separately, A.exe, B.exe and C.exe. No baby, take a single exe. Take a single exe and try to make a multi programs together. तो बेटा पहला प्रॉब्लम आएगा जब मल्टी प्रोग्राम्स तुम एक साथ रन करोगे तुम्हारे वेरिएबल का आर्किटेक्चर क्या होगा so how you can handle the variables and his data if you run multiple programs together point 1 ठीक है point 2 if multi programs are running together and if you have got a variables there can those data can be shareable in multiple programs or not third point if I am running a आवाज ही बंद हो रही है पता नहीं क्यों आज if I run the programs together as a multiple one if every programs is thinking about one data it might be deadlock situation so you can synchronize those programs so you spare today 3 or 4 hours in my center and don't talk anyone bloody I promise on Tuesday morning I will change your life So please come in my thought first. Please fall under my thought and wait for Tuesday, 8 बजे morning. I will share my experience where thread can be used. But before going that momentum, you understand the meaning of thread. Understand you are running several programs together and what are the causes you can have running a multiple programs together. So don't make a multiple EXE. Don't make a multiple EXE. Rather than in a single EXE, club all the programs together. तो बेटे आप ये देखो, पहले आप ये सर्च करो गूगल पे, छोटे बेटे वो लिटरेट भी है, भाई तो बाहर इडियट, हर क्लास में नेट से आती है, उनको पैसे मिलना जरूरी है। आप ये सर्च करो गूगल पे, व्हाट हैपेंस, डोंट गो फॉर थ्रेडिंग, आई एम सेइंग टू यू, व्हाट हैपेंस if you run multiple programs together. मैं अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठता हूँ कार में, I really feel uncomfortable because पता नहीं उसकी ऐसी नेचर पता नहीं कैसे हो गई, वो हर वक्त अंकल कार में मोबाइल पे रहता है. Everyone is upset in our family. Every second he's driving the car, talk with anyone. कितना ही बोलता नहीं सुनता है. Every moment on the mobile. बट उसको देखते हैं, चलो ठीक है उसकी नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव है, he can handle. But if you give me car and the mobile, I cannot handle. I know he's doing well. I'm saying वो अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है, बट वो इतनी बार कर रखा है, उसको अब डर नहीं लगता. किस दिन लगेगा सुधर जाएगा उसे. तो बेटा आपको नेट पे ये सर्च करना है झंकार सर कि व्हाट हैपेंस इफ यू रन मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स टुगेदर, इसके एडवांटेजेस क्या है और डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है. डोंट गो फॉर थ्रेडिंग, डोंट गो फॉर थ्रेड. And how long you can handle multiple programs together. मेरे को रहा नहीं गया, हमने कहा भैया बंद करो मोबाइल, मैं परेशान हो गया तुम्हारे मोबाइल से, हड़बड़ा गया, बंद कर दिया. बोला वास्तव में बंदा इरिटेट हो रहा है, या आप भाभी आगे बैठो मैं नहीं बैठूंगा आगे. बंदे ने परेशान कर दिया, मुझे गुस्से में बोलना पड़ गया. I lose my temper. The was at Sitapur Road. बंद करो मोबाइल को अपना. भूल गए मैं बोलता बड़ा छोटा भाई, हद हो गई तुम्हारी यार, इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉल है, कार्ड को तुम रोक के बात करो. तो देखा भाई गुस्से में है, उसने कहा ठीक है बंद कर दो. हाउ लॉन्ग मत पर बेटा, चलो पढ़ो थ्रेडिंग, मत पढ़ो थ्रेडिंग. आपको पैसा इसलिए ज्यादा मिलता है प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर शंकर कि आप मल्टीपल लोगों को एक साथ हैंडल करते हैं, इससे बेटा को ज्यादा पैसा मिलता है. वो सर को 22 लाख मिलता है, मैंने बताया भी था. तो 22 लाख इसलिए मिलता है, वो 2-3 वैरायटी टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोजेक्ट को हैंडल करता है. तो काम बेटे वो जो 8 घंटे के काम होते हैं उसमें वो 24 आवर्स काम कर लेता है. क्यों? तीन काम को एक साथ हैंडल कर रहा है. बट हाउ लॉन्ग यू कैन हैंडल मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स टुगेदर. एंड नेक्स्ट बेबी, हाउ मेनी प्रोग्राम्स, हाउ लॉन्ग एंड हाउ मेनी प्रोग्राम्स यू कैन हैंडल. तो आईजीएल में और गैस पाइपलाइन में कहां से पाइप कहां लगा दिया, कहां का पाइप इधर चला गया, कहां का पाइप उधर चला गया, उसको गाइड कर रहा है फोन में. सो के पक गए सब आदमी गाड़ी में, बंद करो. सो हाउ मेनी प्रोग्राम्स यू कैन हैंडल एंड हाउ लॉन्ग यू प्रोग्राम, हाउ लॉन्ग यू कैन हैंडल. सेम थिंग बेटा, स्टेट मैनेजमेंट, how many web pages you want to move and how long you want to move. because data is critical. And I can lose my data if you go for number of web pages. If you increase the time, there is a chance of losing a data. Am I right? So, what he asked, next question, after threading, architecture state management, the data, there is a data. When you apply session, I don't know. For applying a session, is there any cost or any architecture? So how long you want to go for data? And how many pages you want to go? If data is sensitive, so I cannot apply session application cookies and cache. It depends on recommendations. What? Recommendations. And 8 points he has given because you want to go for project manager. 8 points are given for state management architecture. तो बेटे आप ये सोचो, अगर मैं मल्टीपल थ्रेड्स करूंगा, मैं कितने प्रोग्राम को हैंडल कर सकूं? कहीं ऐसा नहीं लिखा हुआ झंकार कि आप इतनी प्रोग्राम को हैंडल कर सकते हैं। फिर एक समय ऐसा आएगा, बंद करो सब कुछ, बंद करो। मैं आया लौट के बिहार से, तब से मैं लगा हूं सेंटर के पीछे। दीप्ति को नलायक में छुट्टी करो एक दिन। आई एम टोटली अपसेट राइट नाउ। बंद करो सेंटर। So how long you will go and how much you will go? So now he wanna see your experience. Have you had a time to get that situation or not? मतलब क्या बोला झंकार? आप किसी बात को, सुनी बातों को मत बोलो मेरे को। इतने प्रोग्राम के बाद हम रुक जाएंगे। तुमने वो मोमेंटम फेस करा है। How long and how much? But don't say, someone says, you cannot handle more than 25 programs together or 30 programs together, something like. Don't go on that place. You make a programs. What is program, baby? You make a 20 for loop here, 30 for loop here. Don't take 30 EXE. Take a single EXE or 30 for loop. Can't you think like this? If you go like this, within 4 hours today, and you all are really good, you can get some idea, you know how long I will. Am I right? So go like this, by Pandey-san, go like this. So first question you go for, don't search what is thread, please. It's a process. This teaches me I can incorporate multiple logic together to run in multiple programs at the same time. But if you run multiple programs together, what are the causes and the rules and regulations? But there is a time comes in a life, if call is very important, I can pick up. The moment I pick up, there is a staring on my hand and watching there. It should be synchronized. So you go like this, beta, don't go for trading. Don't go for. So you have to have a knowledge and the rules and regulations, because if you are saying I'm a project manager, he is saying I'm a project manager, it means both are running under one roof. So your principle should be matched to what his principle. Otherwise, this ego comes into picture. कि बेटे वहां पे स्टैंडर्ड की बात उठे, अब उस लेवल पे जा रहे हो, तो बेटे ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड खोजो कि कल अगर ऐसा कुछ हो, आई कैन शो दिस स्टैंडर्ड. यू शो द लिंक where you can go to standard. You know, MSDN says, Microsoft says, Sun Technologies says. So you go for a specification, not for suni sunai baat kisi ki. You show that specification. He is a man. He had approach to run this amount of programs. He was getting struck. You make those programs. So I want to get your experience for handling a multiple programs together. I don't want to really read any books for handling those situations at all. Do you get a point? ठीक है. तो मैं आपको लिंक देता हूँ, ठीक है. तो बेटे अभी आपको आज कोई क्लास इनकार नहीं करना. रमेश, अनुराग एंड चेतन, दो का सारा जोड़ा बनाओ एंड थिंक फॉर थ्रेड। और जो मैंने क्वेश्चन डाला पहले वो खोजो। रूल्स फॉर रनिंग मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स टुगेदर। Point 1. What are the effective costs or effective positiveness if I go for running multiple programs together? Third, or ulta, precautions for running multiple programs together. How to handle multiple programs और बेटे इसका लाइव एग्जांपल, हाउ टू हैंडल मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स। आपने इसे गौर नहीं किया, सॉकेट। तो बेटे आपका जो वर्कर प्रोसेस है, इट कैन हैंडल मल्टीपल रिक्वेस्ट टुगेदर। It means the man who has made a worker process is not a very single thread. So what is the difference between window form and web form? उसे मैंने कल बहुत बात करी, बहुत दिनों के बाद मिले हैं सर। He says window form runs under single thread and web page runs under multiple threads due to worker process. If worker process does not support threading, then how I can handle multiple requests? I want to make a chatting program where to use threading. If I make a chatting program to Jhankar or Chetan, at one time, I can only chat to a single person because single socket. If you apply better threading in socket, am I right? Threading in socket, then multiple person at same point of time can chat with you. Otherwise, one socket per client. And you want make a better multiple socket per client or different clients. You take a single socket plus what? Multiple threads for multiple clients. From this point, you can get a live example, Anurag. Okay, this is a program I can show. This is a program I want to go for multiple threads. Why multiple threads? How ASP.org can handle multiple requests. So can't you go for worker process architecture? And worker process architecture is totally multiple threads. Learn the basic of socket and multiple threads program. ठीक है, एक एग्जाम्पल ये हो गया। If you don't run multiple programs together, you cannot develop the client-server architecture because multiple clients are requesting to one program. And everyone will be wanting the same data. So how you can synchronize your data? Am I right? So everyone is requesting the same web page. So what is apartment thread? What is apartment thread? Okay? तो बेटे अब आप जो है मल्टी प्रोग्राम्स का साथ का सोचो। सिंगल प्रोग्राम हैज गॉन, गुड डेज हैज गॉन बिकॉज यू लर्न विद सी शार्प। ठीक है, हैंडल मल्टीपल सॉकेट्स कनेक्शंस। एक तो सर आप ये प्रोग्राम को देख लेंगे, इसी यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया। आई एम पुटिंग ऑल द थिंग्स टुगेदर फर्स्ट इन अ नोटपैड। First. Second you go for. तो मुझे समझ तुम कमाल फिर का कमाल देखें. How to handle multiple threads नहीं चाहिए. Multiple programs. ठीक है. By what? It's a great link, boss. Great link. मैंने पूरा पढ़ रखा है इसको. So multiple threads application have multiple threads executing in a share to define a handle to a runtime context. इसको पढ़ के देखो. So how to handle the multiple programs together? Without multiple threads you cannot go. Or you make a multiple exe to go, or you make a single exe incorporated but multiple threads you can do. अब बेटा सुनो, यहाँ देखो सक्सेना झंगा. चलो ठीक है. उसने कहा तुम एक काम करो. Don't बेटा make a multiple threads. You take a 2 exe. So how you can pass data from one exe to what? One exe to what? Other exe. Or you make a 2 programs in single exe and try to pass data from one program to what? Other program. एक थ्रेड दूसरे थ्रेड को कैसे देगा? ये लिंक हो गया. कंट्रोल से. बट ध्यान रखो सिंगल सीपीयू है तुम्हारे पास, तो ऑप्टिमाइज कैसे करोगे सिंगल सीपीयू के साथ? 2 लिंक. नहीं बेटा अलग कर दो. अच्छा अब आ जाओ. रूल्स फॉर रनिंग मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स. एक मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं दे रहा हूँ लिंक, मुझे पता है. ये वाला लिंक है, मैंने सारा लिंक दे रहा हूँ. पहले ये आप उसको थोड़ा पढ़ के देखिएगा वाले शंकर, इसके आप फिलॉसफी को पढ़ के देखिए पूरा पढ़ रखा कि क्या क्या ड्रॉबैक हो सकता है वो फलानी नहीं बट प्रोग्राम्स टुगेदर. Now come back to point. How are they trading initiation? सर, आपको इस लिंक को पूरा पढ़ना 4 घंटे का. उसके बाद यू हैव टू गो फॉर फाइंडिंग सम हाउ लॉन्ग causes, issues and all that. First you cover all the topics in 4 hours. मैं एक वाली बात नहीं करने दूंगा, सुन लो अच्छा रहो. Now, there was 5 parts are there. You start with the first part, second part, third part, advanced trading and our parallel program. You try to cover 5 parts in 4 hours. सुमित अपना बनाएगा बेटे ग्रुप. आज मैं यहाँ पे ऐसी ऑन कर रहा हूँ इस वाले रूम में, बात कोई किसी से नहीं करेगा. एंड बेटा प्रोग्राम देखते गए, समझते गए. इतना तेज दिमाग चलाना है, उसके बाद सेकंड वाले से पूरा हो गया, गो फॉर सेकंड वन. Go for second one. Getting it? So you start with the first this one. And the expert side, they can tell how long, how much, whatever you have. और बेटे यहाँ पे कोई दिमाग मतलब कोई पढ़ाने का चीज नहीं है. सर बोल क्या है लॉजिक. मुझे आप लोगों से बिल्कुल मतलब नहीं. जिस बंदे को बोला हो यू गो फॉर दैट. रिमेनिंग कैन गो, दे कैन गो, बट डोंट से हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा. इसको कोई कीवर्ड ही नहीं है. ऐसे पहली बात कोई कीवर्ड नहीं है, बस एक्सपीरियंस है एक काम करने का. राइट? या तो सिंक्रोनाइज करो, इसमें डेडलॉक सिचुएशन लेकर आओ. इसको फैटल एक्सीडेंट. तो ये यहां सबको स्टार्ट करना है.